Hello everyone, in this video I will show how you can earn up to $10 per day. The best thing is that it's totally free. You don't need to invest any single cent. First of all, you have to open any browser, write Coinpayu in the search bar and press enter. Or you can easily click on the link in the description of this video. You'll be redirected to this website. Here's the home page of this website. You can also advertise on this website. As you can see, these platforms are advertising in this website. And here's the ways you can get your rewards. So the way you can create account is clicking on join free, or also you can click on register button on the top. If you already have account, you have to click on login button. So now click on register. Here you will enter your valid email address. Now set a strong password. Write the same password again in confirm password area. Make sure to check this box of terms and services and then click on register. Your account will be successfully registered. As I have already registered, so I will click on login and enter my login details here, complete CAPTCHA and click on login. Here's the dashboard of this website. On the top you will see main balance, purchase balance, and referrals. On the left side you will see view ads, offers, leaderboard, affiliate, profile, and more. So the way we will earn money is watching ads. You have to click on view ads. Here you will see frameless ads and framed ads. Frameless ads are those ads on which you don't need to stay on the ad. You can open a new tab and do whatever you want. So click on first ad and it will open in a new tab. Don't close the ad and come to the website. Here you'll see the time remaining for ad completion. So let's wait for its completion. Here's you see on the top right the pop-up message up here that you have successfully earned 3 points. In this way, you can watch all ads and earn on every ad. Every day it will give you a lot of ads to watch and you can earn good amount. Now let's explore the framed ads. They are almost same, just one difference. When you click on this ad, you have to stay on ad. Don't move cursor away from the tab until this blue line complete. When it complete, just close this ad and you will see that you have earned your points. In this way, you have to watch all these ads and earn money. Now click on withdraw option, then click on crypto. Now here you have to put some details where you want to receive your money. Choose in which cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You can choose any one of these. I will select Litecoin. Enter here the address of wallet you have. Doesn't matter whether it's Binance, Faucet Pay, or Trust Wallet. Then select here the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure you reach the limit of minimum amount you can withdraw. After putting all these details, click on confirm, and you will receive your money in your crypto wallet in just few minutes. You can refer your friends, and when they earn, you will get 5% commission of their earning for lifetime. Click on affiliate materials, and here you will see your referral link. Copy this link and share it with your friends on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and more. Click on your profile and then click on show in USD to see how much dollars you have earned. I hope you like this video. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel as I upload more interesting videos about online earning and much more. Thank you.